Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track invoice status and payments in QuickBooks. First step is to open the invoice page. So from the left menu, click Sales, Invoices. This opens a full list of all your invoices along with their current statuses. Step 2 is to understand invoice status. Now each invoice shows a status label such as sent, viewed, paid, partial, or overdue. These labels help you to stay on top of who owes what. Next step is to filter and sort invoices. Open the filter options to view only unpaid, overdue, or paid invoices. You can sort by date, customers, or amount to quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Step 4 is to check payment history on any invoice. Click on any invoice to open it. Scroll down to see the payment status, transaction history, as well as any of the deposits or credits applied. A pro tip, you can use the invoice reports under the Reports tab to get a big picture view of your receivables and overdue amounts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.